Welcome to blvd.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and here we're looking at a set of Viegel hand controls. This particular example is put on this Buick Regal wagon. Don't see these very often, but at any rate, that's the vehicle that this is, or the vehicle type that these controls are on. These are not going to be mounted to the steering column, so we still have full adjustability of that steering wheel. These are going to be mounted to the floor. Now, to operate these controls, if we wanted to put the vehicle in park, I would actually push into this lever, push this forward. That's going to hold my brake so I can shift the vehicle. To release that, then push forward, releases the brake. Want to activate the accelerator, pull straight back on this. Looking for a dealer near you to install a set of Viegel or MPD Sure Grip hand controls? Click the link in the description for blvd.com to locate a dealer near you.